This is the arrival now of the hurricane Beryl. First now it begin now, my viewer worldwide. Beryl is here now in Jamaica. Beryl now is in Jamaica now. Hurricane Beryl has arrived after 9 a.m. on Wednesday, July 3rd. It's here now. Wow, let's hope for the best. This is the early part of Beryl. The rain has begun now. So from this, the wind gonna pick up. Traveling from the southeast direction, moving towards the west. Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Whoa, the place overcast. OMG, the monster. This is just the beginning, the early part of the monster. The real full-blown part not reach over yet. I don't know if I'll be able to catch like when the real big one, because I'm not gonna come outside because missile might fly and I don't want to get hurt by it. So just capturing a little early part of it.